Polytechnic extends our warmest congratulations to you for your graduation. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have led to this moment of success, and we are confident that your future is bright. Your completion of studies here is a significant achievement, not only for you, but also for our entire community. With the skills and knowledge you have gained, we are certain that you will represent our academic institution with excellence, innovation in every corner of the globe. As we gather here today to celebrate your achievements and bid farewell to your time at St. Thomas Polytechnic, I want to take a moment to highlight the institution's commitment to making a positive impact on the world. St. Thomas Polytechnic is founded on the belief that education should not only equip students with knowledge and skills, but also instill values of compassion, sustainability, and social responsibility. We are proud to introduce our flagship initiative, the Family First program, which embodies our commitment to supporting families. Through this program, we aim to provide decent living conditions, ensuring that every family has access to safe and comfortable shelter, to ensure food security, guaranteeing that no child or family member goes hungry, to enhance educational access, offering resources and support to make education accessible to all, regardless of financial constraints. And by investing in the well-being of our community, we are not only fulfilling our social responsibility, but also creating a brighter future for generations to come. Just recently, as part of our charity